been studying romantic relationships for some time now, and the things that make people compatible really, if you boil it all down, it's a sense of wonder, right? Most of the time, we get into relationships and we become kind of complacent and we make a bunch of assumptions. And that's the problem because we need to be constantly discovering who that person is. So the people who are like negative in general, they don't do well in relationships because they're finding fault with the other person rather than finding amazement and astonishment and wonderment. So for me, people have to learn how to evolve together, and they also have to learn that they're going to evolve separately and have different passions, and they want to inspire each other and facilitate each other's greatness. That's what bodes well for a secure, loving, romantic relationship.